This is the other tenting area at Crystal Mountain. See the privy right here. Bear box is somewhere over here. Can't see the other person, they might have left. This is the main area. It's a picnic table, a privy. Bear box is right there. I'm getting out of camp a little later than I would like to. It's 7:45. Didn't get to bed until later than I would have liked, obviously. Normally I like to be in bed by 7 and it was closer to 9. I'm just gonna go to the shelter that's 8 miles away. If it suddenly decides to not rain, maybe I'll think about going further, but it's supposed to rain from like noon to tomorrow. It's 9:30 and I'm 3.8 from Crystal Mountain. The next 2 miles is a road walk through Dalton, so I'm going to take a break before that. We are at this star here. We're gonna walk through town, then go back up into the woods to this shelter here. Based on this map, I'm about a third of the way through Massachusetts. There's little markers on the ground, so they're going the right way. There's been some nice Halloween decorations up. Looks like most people don't decorate. This looks like, I think his name is Lavardi's house. It's a trail he built to let people camp in his yard. But he doesn't have a hammock thing. It's 10:45. The forecast says it's raining, but it's not currently raining where I am. The shelter is 2.5 miles away, so I'll probably get caught in the rain then because it's mostly uphill. I don't think I'm gonna go for the next shelter or even attempt to. My feet are really feeling like something, and I can work on my videos because I have several that I haven't edited yet, and maybe I'll have good Wi-Fi at my next zero and I can finally get them up. It is noon. I'm about half mile from the shelter, and the shelter's 0.2 off. Still not raining so far. Hoping it stays like this. Once I get set up, it can start raining then. It's 12:30. Crystal Mountain is 7.7 back. Tober Mountain is 8.8 ahead, which would take a minimum of 4 hours. K Woods is 0.17. This is the privy here, bear box, shelter, little map of the area, not to scale. That's the shelter down there, obviously. I like the spacing of these two trees, but this one's a little thin. So I think I'm gonna use this one here and then this one. Which puts me a little off of the tent pad, but not really smushing anything. This is the view from the shelter. There's a couple bunks in here, plus a second floor. Shelter is named after Kay Wood, who lived along the trail. It's a big long article, I'm not going to read it. Rice-a-roni rice does not rehydrate well at all. It's been soaking for 30 minutes and it's still insanely crunchy. So cannot recommend getting that brand. Get near East if it's there. I am the only one at this campsite. It started raining about an hour ago. According to Far Out, I did 7.7. According to AWOL, I did 7.1 miles today. Tomorrow I'm going to go to October Mountain, which is almost 9 miles. Town is a little too far away to go to, but I'm hoping to get a room even though it's going to be a weekend. So thank you for watching, commenting, donating, subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.